Today I have a bone stock, stock, 2014 GT automatic with only 5,000 miles. I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways and least expensive ways to add over 150 real horsepower. Let's check it out. Hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV, and if you haven't, like always, please subscribe and notify. So here's the plan for today. I'm going to show you a dyno pull on this car with our Roush 626R Supercharger, and then we're going to go back, look at the graph, and overlay it over the bone stock graph so you can see what a car like this, being an auto, lays down from the factory. Well, hey, here's what's in our 626R. Starts as a Roush TVS 2.3 liter supercharger. All right, it's intercooled. You get larger fuel injectors and a larger closed air induction system. You get the Brenspeed calibration with it that we use on an SCT programmer. Now, this is our entry-level kit. It's upgradable. It doesn't even include a fuel pump because at this point of power, you don't need it. As we increase power, it's something you're gonna do. So when I say upgradable, it means this is our lowest horsepower kit. Through different pulleys, different air induction systems, larger injectors, larger fuel pump, we can get the power to go up and up and up, all the way past what a stock engine can handle, up until maybe you get a built engine someday. This supercharger is capable of producing way more power than we're gonna see today. So that's the 626R. Let's make a dyno pull, and then we're gonna do a comparison, like I said, and show the car's stock versus what it makes right now. So you got to glance at those numbers. The car laid down automatic, 503 real horsepower at 6,900 RPMs, 478 torque. Now here's what's interesting. Keep in mind, this is an entry-level kit, doesn't have a fuel pump upgrade, doesn't have a cold air intake, stock. The car made 345, rear wheel torque was 348. So that's pretty interesting. It's basically like getting a 150 or 175 shot of nitrous right away, but all the time when you drive the car. So a pretty significant gain over the factory. 150 real horse, and Doug, check this out. I mean, this gain is across the curve. So as you see that, the two graphs, you can clearly see torque and horsepower are really spread all the way from when I go wide open throttle at 2,500 all the way to red line. So you may have questions about this. Okay, it's a Roush Supercharger intercooled where we put our calibration on it. Leave a comment, I'm happy to answer. And don't forget it's upgradable. I will put links in the description of more higher horsepower packages like this. Maybe you already have this kit and you're wondering, hey, how to make more power? You can click off those and see. And don't forget, email quote@brenspeed.com to see how much it costs to get something like this installed. Thanks for watching.